On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Dave Barker, and I've shown you how to wet down the window. I've shown you how to replace the squeegee. As I put that clip back in, I just push it with the edge, put it back in like that. It's ready to go. I have both clips in on both sides so that it keeps it stable so it doesn't shift back and forth. And there's another mop I haven't showed you. It's kind of a vice versa. This is Unger's brand. And this just pushes the clip right here. You release it, and you can just put that in there, and you can wet it down and squeegee it off with the same thing. I'm going to show you how to squeegee this window off. But as you've seen, the conditions may dry the window prematurely, and when that happens, you want to make sure that it's completely wet before you squeegee it. And when you do that, you want to make sure that you are that it's wet. If it's dry like that, I'm going to show you what happens. I squeegee this off, and if you look close, there's streaky mark, and you can see the soap and everything. You do not want to let it dry. The conditions are important. You just wet it down, and you keep that wet. I've shown you wet every square inch. It's ready to go. Now the squeegee method. I start with the top edge. I clean the top edge. And you see it's a little bit wet. I want to make sure that edge is clear. I will wipe the squeegee off. And then I will put this about 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch below the surface. There's a gap in there of about 1/4 of an inch, so I don't bring the water back down. Get the angle right. Bring it down to the right edge. Make sure it's flush to the right edge. If you have to use both hands, use both hands. All the way down. And I'm done. I've got another inch over here. This is a lot of overkill, but you want to overlap a little bit. I'm going to overlap and do the same thing again. Clean the squeegee off so it's nice and dry. Start to the top edge. Start at the angle, and make sure the angle, this is the most important part, is down. If you leave it up, water will drip out the back edge. If you bring it up, I'm exaggerating the point, but you want to make sure that this is coming down.